Hey guys, we received this Medca elastic compression bandage wrap for test and try. So they are a set of four with hooks and athletic support uh, for the tape rolls. So you can put it like on your wrist, arm, ankle, or anywhere you want to use it for. There are four packs or different size and the lock thing as well. So they also came with this four extra clips or the hook closer. Like these are the hook closer, as you can see, it will stick on two sides and it will hold up the bandages. So really nice, like flexible material, as you can see it here. So nice material as well, and is easy to clean. So you can also wash it and then reuse. So see the flexibility, it's really nice that you can hold. So they are like 4 inches or the 3 inches, and then say like if you want to just put it like this, so it's more like flexible. You can put it on your hand or the cover. So I'm just showing like a demo purpose thing. So you can of course make it more nice or put it more nice, and then you can use these hooks to hold up these one. So this will not fall and run. You can use both the hooks, and four extra hooks are provided so that will be easy to hold. So once you are done, you can easily roll them or you can wash them and roll and reuse them. So very nice rolls, and there are different sizes as well, as I mentioned. So it's good like to give some warmth, like when you apply some ointment on your hand and then cover it with this. So overall, they are the nice uh, bandages or flexible bandages.